Good morning. It's currently like 10. It's 9:58. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then edit. My mom and I have Christmas shopping to do. Like, we really ordered so much stuff online, but you know, like just the little things we still have to go out, which I hate, but it's the inevitable because not everything can get here before Christmas. And then my grandparents are here, so we have to go there too. And then today we have to film Sushi Sunday. It's a lot. My butt hurts, and it's 11:09. I'm 7 minutes out of 29, which isn't bad, but I'm just so tired.
I need to go to the bathroom, but I don't want to go.
Why?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because I just don't want to go pee.
You know what I do in these situations?
What?
Blow the day off.
You always are like, this is too stressful.
I'm like, bye.
So I already uploaded. This is the workout for today. So I'm gonna do that really quick because I just need to get it done, because if I don't do it now, I'm not gonna do it later. So I worked out, I showered, yeah, I got dressed. My mom and I are gonna go to the store. Places like that. Let me show you the fit. Pullover, sweats, and then I have a shirt under. And then I think I'm gonna wear my canvas Vans. That might look good, probably not. Do I look like I care? No.
Ándale pues mi corazón lindo.
Teary-eyed. No, we have like a few things.
I just don't appreciate
How many people there are. So I completely forgot about chocolate. I was all the way over there by the dairy. So now I had to walk all the way over here for a huge bag of chocolate. Out of chocolate. All 5 of them. All 5 of the actual chocolate from Hot Cocoa Bombs are sold out. I'm gonna change because I wore this to Winco. I put on black sweats and my hoodie. This was the best purchase I have ever made.
the last 10 minutes.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
You're so excited.
Always consistent.
Hello. Puma and I are just chilling.
Cookie.
I didn't do nothing. I know which one you're talking about, the one you boiled.
You just warm it up in water, yeah.
Yeah. No, I haven't. I don't know where to get that. So, are you going to edit the corn?
Yes.
And I'll edit the sushi?
Mm-hmm.
Can I film videos, but like on the side?
You want to eat with us, but on the side? You can do that. If you want to.
Yeah, I'm like, I just don't like it.
So,
I'll be like,
in the bottom.
so you just want to talk on the side?
yeah.
But you'll talk, right? Okay. Puma said she wants to film with us, but talk on the side.
Why can't you just be there with us?
Because she doesn't want to.
Even though I know I'm going to get shit for it.
But it's her choice. I literally have it on camera right here, her suggesting it.
Oh, that's right. And I'm just putting you.
I am.
What are your buttons?
I'm camera.
Okay, so I really want Puma to open this gift, and my mom said she could. It's not from me, but. Here it is. It's to Pumbaa.
Wait, she's gonna open it right now?
Can I record you? Is right here fine? Or you want to go look over here?
We're all happy.
Look. Hello, everyone. I edited a video for my mom. Took about like an hour and a half. I think I'm gonna work on my girlfriend's gift because I'm literally seeing her in one day. I'm not done. It just hit me. This is one of the best Red Bulls. I don't know what it is, but it's immaculate. I also just want to explain that I cannot really show my girlfriend's face in videos. It's a bunch of personal stuff that I don't want to get into just because it's not my business, and I really just don't want to be putting that out there. But my girlfriend can't necessarily be in my videos, like I said, for personal reasons. So I won't be like really showing her. I'll maybe show her unwrapping a couple of things and only her hands, and then I'll show everything that I got her in whole before she leaves.
Why is it like this?
Start.
Shoo! This ain't getting uglier.
See, it's already starting to come off because it's extra hot. Look at it. It came off quick.
If you warmed it up twice.
Yeah. They're very excited.
And my bear too.
They've been wanting to sleep in my room forever, and I finally let them.
Look at the little eyes. He's small. Wait. Hi. The puppy. The puppy.
So we're gonna move to the living room because it gets really stuffy in my room when there's a lot of people in here. Plus the heater's on, and Puma wants to sleep with us as well. And I just, honestly, it's really hot in my room when there's a lot of people in here.
Look.
So we're gonna go to the, wow, my eyes are shedding. Oh wow, that was all my glasses. Ugh. Hair. It's more disgusting now when I get a hair in my mouth that's long.
And my foot.
Book of Life.
Yeah, the Book of Life. And Coco. Aren't they like the same?
Okay, so I came into my room to do the outro to my video. We're just gonna go to sleep now. It's 2:30 in the morning. They're still not asleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know. Let me know what your favorite Tim Burton movie is. I don't know if like a lot of you like his movies or anything, but if you do, let me know your favorite. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.